Hi YouTubers. This was my third ever video here at YouTube. It was originally posted on April 4th, 2007, and this is a repost with better sound quality. Okay, LaLaVox, this is for you. This is a tomcat threatening another tomcat. Here we go. And why was the tomcat threatening the other tomcat? There can only be one reason. Because some lady cat was in season, and it sounds like this. Here's what the lady cat says when she's a mama cat and is talking to her babies. And then of course there are baby cats, and sometimes the baby cats crawl out of the basket and get lost. And this is what a baby cat sounds like when it's been lost for about 1 minute. Of course, the longer a baby cat is lost, the more frantic it gets. So after about half an hour, a lost baby cat sounds something like this. It's a heartbreaking sound. And of course, when the mama cat comes and finds her kitten, this is what she sounds like once again. I think that's all the cat sounds I feel like doing this time around. And do I feel like doing any others? Well, how about a chicken? No, I don't feel like doing a chicken. A goat? A chicken? Okay. That's it for the animal noises, but I think I might have a couple of bonuses for you. For instance, snake lips. And the amazing folded tongue trick. Ta-da! One more animal sound has occurred to me, by the way. Oh, and this is my other pair of glasses. This is an actual call that you can use that will actually call screech owls up out of the woods. But it will also call hoot owls. For instance, if you live in Mississippi, I know that there are screech owls and hoot owls there, and probably in lots of other places in the US, but I don't really know for sure. Anyway, hoot owls eat screech owls. They're much bigger. So sometimes when we used to call screech owls in the backyard, the hoot owls would come up instead. One more little tidbit before I go. A little hick song that I learned when I was a child. Oh, I went up this morning, the air was full of sleet. The old man sat out in the rain, his shoes was full of feet. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more, it ain't gonna rain no more. So how am the deuce gonna water my goose if it ain't gonna rain no more? That's all, folks. Bye.